All right, go. Oh, you launched him onto there.
Monster Cat.
What are we gonna do in today's video?
Launching them into the water.
To see if they
Sink or float.
sink or float. Yeah. We got a Megalodon, baby Megalodon, Max D, all Max D. We got 3 aces here, 2 El Toro Locos, old school Gravedigger, the little Gravedigger, 2 school, 2 small plastic, 2 schools, fire alarm with a plastic fire alarm, and over here a couple sea creatures. We got Octonator, Pirate's Curse, Crustacean.
But we're missing Kraken.
You're missing Kraken?
Yeah.
I get a sea creature?
Yeah.
You want to go get him?
Or you can go get them.
Oh, why? Because it's cold outside? Because it's the middle of winter and we're in the pool? All right, Judge. What trucks do you have? These aren't going to be in it, but we have a Dragon, Stone Crusher, Mohawk, Zombie, and a Blue Thunder. Are you ready to see if they're going to sink or float? Are you going to be the one that says sink or float? Launch them in here with the launcher?
Let's do this. Let's play, Dad.
All right, buddy, let's go. All right, who's going first?
Hey.
What do you think, sink or float? Is it gonna be hard to launch it? Oh, you sink or float?
I got him.
So that was a sink?
Yeah.
Okay, who's next? Go. Oh. The launcher fell in. All right, go. Oh, you launched him onto there. You got to make it in the spot. Do it again. Oh. Floating. You know why they're floating? Plastic, and he's light. Plastic floats, and this guy's metal. Hold him up high and then drop him in. Yep. He's a floater. You know why he's a floater? Because his tires are big and they let him stay buoyant. This is a float. Can we turn the bubbles off so we can swim better? Let's turn them off for a sec. Oh, we can see. I say you do Max D next. Whoa! Two sinks over here. Who's next? Yeah, the big Max D. What do you think? What do you think? Sink or float? Roll them in. Ready? So not all big ones float. I guess Monster Jam tires aren't as buoyant as the Hot Wheel ones. We got 3 sinks now.
Goggles.
Okay. Oh, goggles? Here. Next, the plastic 2 school. Oh, there you go. No. He floats. So what are you learning? The plastic ones float, huh? We got 3 floats. Which one's that one? Gravedigger. What do you think? Sink or float? Sink. Here. Hold on. Antsy, let me tell you when, bud. Hold on.
I just want it.
I know, you just want to do it, huh? Okay, now try to hit it. Go. Sink. Alright, who's next?
Crazy.
Hey, sink or float? What do you think? Another sink. Sink or float? What do you think? In the middle.
Yeah.
Here we go. We got another float. Alright, what are you doing next? You doing the big school bus? Alright, drop them in the middle right here though. What do you think? Tell me, sink or float? Oh, the float. Okay, who's next? The small Toro Loco? You gonna use the launcher? Sink?
Yeah.
Alright, he goes here. Alright, who's next? Toro Loco. A lot of these sink. Megalodon's a shark. He should be able to do it. Shark, sink, or float. Here. Another sinker. Stinker sinkers. Ooh! 3 more. What do we have? What do you think? Sink or float?
Fire.
Sunk? Okay. Another sink. Do Pirate's Curse now?
Yeah.
Sink or float? He's gonna float because he's a pirate? Pirates usually have a boat, huh? And they float. Oh, oh, you got stuck on your thing. Alright. Throw them in the water. That's a sinking pirate. His pirate ship must have a hole in it. These are the last of them. Sea creatures, they should be able to float, right? An octopus and a crustacean. What do you think? I'm gonna do this one. I'm gonna say sink. Oxygenator. He's a sea creature. Do you think he sinks or floats? You think he sinks?
I think so.
Cinco. 3 left. Plastic will trash it all. Float. Put him on the float side. What are you doing? Here we go. Another trash. Sink or float? Float or sink? What? You just watched the other one. He's a floater. He's a floater. Alright, here's 2 school plastic versions. Sink or float? Sink. Yep, he's a floater. Here goes the last one. Fire alarm in red and plastic. Sink or float? Floater. Float. Look at the floaters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 floaters. You know why they floated? Because these are plastic, and plastic floats. These are metal, but they have big tires that have air in them, and they keep them up. That's why they float.
But those are big.
Yeah, but the tires are a lot smaller, so they don't have enough air to float them. So that's why these ones sunk. These are all metal, and metal sinks. Metal sinks fast. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So do you understand why they sunk?
Yeah.
Because they're metal and heavy, and those ones are plastic, which floats, and these ones are metal, but they have bigger tires that keep them up. This is rubber, and that rubber makes them buoyant.
See you next time.
Grown-ups or parents, if you're interested in products used in today's video, head over to forgebuddies.com. There you'll find links or affiliate links to the products used in today's videos. We appreciate your support, and we hope you have a blessed day.
Follow, like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.